Steve here with AIQ Systems here again. Did an update using our intraday snapshot from Dial Data this morning and run some reports on this morning's data just to see what's going on. So today is the 9th of October. Markets snapping back a little bit from yesterday's late fall. Let's have a look at what's going on within the expert system on stocks. Expert analysis here gives us an idea of the ratings that are fired up today, so we can get an idea of which direction the overall market might be headed. Remember, this is done on the S&P 500 stocks, so we have a list here of about 20 stocks that have high expert ratings to the upside. This indicates that there's a large number of indicators saying these stocks will be going up. If we switch over to the downside, you can see there's less stocks with downside expert ratings, but still not that many stocks giving high ratings at the moment. So we're in a sort of a transition period when there's not a lot going on. So these are stocks that have made new highs over the last 5 days. Some of them may have happened today. And here are the stocks that are making new lows. Again, we're only looking at about 5 stocks. So again, not a lot of imbalance there. That's kind of a market where we don't have a great deal of direction at the moment. One thing we like to look for, volume spikes. See if there's any significant action, and there is no volume spike. There are no stocks at all showing a volume spike at the moment. One other area we can look at, let's go look at the groups. Remember, this is during the market day to day. So let's see if any groups are making new highs and new lows, and we'll go into the new high report first. So we have 5 groups that are making new highs in the S&P 500 at this current time. Again, this is spread over 5 days. And we're looking at, again, as we saw in the new highs within stocks themselves, some of the retail areas are seeing that happening. And on new lows, again, an equal number on the new low side, including copper and oil and gas and exploration. So pretty quiet at the moment on the marketplace. Just a quick look at what we can do. So let's go back to the new highs here. We'll put these stocks straight into our charting area. So here we have those 5 stocks that are making new highs in the last few days. As you can see here, obviously Target's breaking out to that new high. And then we have here Walmart, again, this is in the last few days, it's breaking out to a new high. So we've got a couple of property REITs related making new highs, and also Sherwin-Williams also making new highs up here. So it gives you an idea if we want to buy into stocks that are in a trend and already making new highs, would be a good area to look at. Again, the Dial Data intraday update, let me just show you what that is. So the intraday snapshot is something that's recently become available within Trading Expert Pro, and it allows us to not only go through charts at high speed, which has always been a feature of Trading Expert Pro charts, but now you've got the current day's snapshot. It's a delayed snapshot appended to that current chart. And obviously this gives us a chance to see patterns setting up in the day, and also to run those reports that we saw earlier. Intelligent-trading-software is where you can find information on this, and it's also the end of day package through Dial Data is our lowest price package now, $89 a month, software and data included, and you can add that intraday snapshot in there for $15. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this presentation. We'll do another update next week.